My name is David Leong, and I'm Assistant Professor of Missiology here at Seattle Pacific Seminary. And it's really my privilege to teach the second intensive for seminarians called Christian Formation and Mission, Acts of Mercy and Justice. The classroom environment can sometimes be a bit sterile, and really the rich opportunity we have in this course is to get outside the four walls of the room and get into the community, get into the neighborhood. Logistically, how the course works, we spend some time at different sites in Seattle, and through the years we've visited a lot of different organizations that are doing community development or relief work, working with homeless populations, immigrants, communities that are stuck in cycles of poverty or abuse or violence. And what these contexts serve to do is provide us with real-world settings in which to ask theological questions. I think questions that may not get asked in a small group setting or at a retreat location. And these questions of what does it mean to be a Christian engaging issues of poverty or race or justice, these are very prominent questions on the minds of our communities. And these are the congregational realities that people are facing in their churches as well. So I think what the course tries to do is begin a conversation around theology and formation that isn't only about spiritual disciplines, but that also brings in all the complexities of our world that is shaped by race and class and gender. And as we begin to move theological discussion into those areas, I think we bump up against both the challenges of economics and cultural identity and whatnot, but we also, I think, are hopefully enabled to do the work of theology in the community in more relevant and compelling ways. My hope for the course personally is that as we think about mission, it's not always across the ocean or really far out there on the other side of the world, but mission is part of the nature and identity of the church. And this course really gets us thinking about the local community, thinking about neighborhoods right here in Seattle, where we can begin to wrestle with the questions of how spiritual formation matters for communities that are in need.